So today in Crystal River, Florida, and it's about 45 minutes north of Clearwater, and we're going to be taking care of a Citation Bravo, and we'll be doing a full detail on it. It's going to turn out awesome. It's going to turn out great. Let me turn off this TV, that way you can hear me. And anyway, I'm going to grab some juice this morning and get some ice and stuff like that. Might grab it out at the airport. And here at the hotel, spent the night here. After we're done here, they're gonna be moving over to another project in New Iberia, Louisiana. And got a client out there, gonna be doing his plane. So we're really out here, going from state to state, city to city. So let's go. We got a little ride to take. Okay, so just made it out here, and very, very humid here today because I guess we have about a 70% chance of rain here, but it's not going to matter because working inside the hangar, I'm got to wipe off the lens here because from getting in outside of the truck, from it being very, very cold to coming out here when it's just hot, you could hit a locust behind me. But if you look over here, you can see some clouds that are behind me. It may rain, it may cool it off. It's probably gonna make it super steamy afterwards. But anyway, here, I'm gonna be looking at this Citation Bravo, and it's gonna turn out awesome. This is a regular client, and it's easier to keep up on aircraft than just letting it go. The plane looks awesome, gonna be taking care of it again. It's gonna be a regular client, and can't wait to show you all a little bit of the process here of what's going to be done. So this is a Citation Bravo, and as you can see, it looks absolutely awesome already. I mean, it's a beautiful plane. Citation, Cessna does a great job on these Citations. They're awesome, they're great. So, but taking a look at this, it's probably going to take about probably all day long, you know, to do this project. But after it's done, it's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna take you through some of the process here and let you see it. So come on, rock with me. I'm gonna go ahead and get changed, get into some work clothes, and something that breathes a little bit better than this. Clearly can't do it inside of a Ralph Lauren shirt. It's not gonna work. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll catch y'all here in just a minute. It is done. just got done with this airplane, and as you can see, turned out absolutely amazing, turned out exquisite, and gonna let you see the inside as well. So let's take a walk, let's take a look at it. Turned out awesome, turned out great. So interior cabin has been detailed, sanitized, leather clean and conditioned, wood conditioned and cleaned, lavatory cleaned. You look at the galley here. Galley's been cleaned, as you can see. All right, so coming outside of the airplane, kind of see this door right here, kind of had some kick marks that were on here. Got that off, and that just naturally comes from closing the door. Get some kick marks right there. Got that off without hurting the surface. So now, to put that back up here. Lock that up. Now looking at the rest of the airplane, you can see the reflection and the gloss here. Just the gloss factor is just beautiful on this. So it turned out awesome there. So as I'm kind of coming around here, I'm going to let you see this. Look at that. It's beautiful. So come on down. You can see the reflection of the lights coming down on the sides of this. It's amazing. It looks wet. If you don't know by now, okay, so one of the biggest things is when you're looking at something that has been detailed by Exquisite, the difference is that aside from everything else, it looks wet. It looks shiny. It's beautiful. It looks presidential. That's the best way that it can be described. Now, coming over here, you see this gloss factor. Looks beautiful. Looks gorgeous. See how clean that windscreen is? Awesome. All right, so when you're looking up here, you see these lights, you see the reflection of these lights. But what I'm gonna do, I'll show you what it looks like with that sunshine hitting it, with that natural light. So let me walk up. I'm gonna show you this bright work. Bright work is amazing. Beautiful. The gloss that's on this wing, as you can see, it looks wet. If it isn't shining and it isn't looking like this, then Exquisite didn't detail it. We did not touch it. And our processes are proprietary. So look at that wet look. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Looks like you could just dive into it. Picture it if it was just a pool of water. Just dive right into it. Think about it. Looks beautiful. So coming down, you can see, turned out absolutely awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. You can see these flaps. These flaps here and under are just crystal clear. So crystal clear. Now the inlets, the same thing. Inlets turned out amazing. Come over here to the clamshell. Bright work, looks absolutely gorgeous. Now if you look, you can kind of see the reflection of these lights in here. You see there's no swirls, there's nothing. You can see just, it looks like a mirror. And that's exactly what we make it into as far as aesthetically. We could take aluminum and make it look like a metal mirror. And so now, and we do not use any processes that are typically used to polish bright work. So we use some different methods, all of which are proprietary, but we get a finish like this with no swirls. No swirls, no swirls. So let's come around over here. You see this reflection of that? You can see it. It's just gorgeous. You see that? Look at that. It's beautiful. It's to be admired. all the way up. Looks gorgeous. Coming around, you can see the shine all the way down. Looks beautiful. So as I'm coming around, you can see the bright work. Look at that reflection. Look at that. Flawless. Flawless. So coming right in, as flawless as what can be. So nothing will ever be perfect. Anyone that ever sells anyone on polishing or detailing anything and says it will be like new is a lie. You can make something look great, and that's exactly what we have the expertise to do. We pride ourselves in, have done. First to do it, first business of its kind. Don't believe any imitators. Exquisitemad, Exquisitemad, the first and only detailing business of its kind. Beware of imitations. Beware. And remember, there's nothing better than the best. And Exquisitemad is the best. And as you can see, that's what you can expect right here. Beauty. So let me take you a little bit closer. See that inlet? The inlets look amazing. They look gorgeous. They look beautiful. Look at that view. Look at that shine. It's beautiful. Beautiful. So let me back up here. Look at that. Gorgeous. So, like I said, in Crystal River, Florida, getting ready to head down to Clearwater right now. Just a little drive right down the road. Gonna be taking a look at another aircraft down there. And then from there, we're gonna be headed to New Iberia, Louisiana.